Okay, this is the curved slider. So let's just test out some basic functionality. So as we see, collisions are handled, and the slider does follow the curved path, which is drawn out by the oval. This is just a segment of an oval. So next, we should talk about the interpolation. So right now we see that at the very top line of that text, it says value equals 121. So that value is represented by the most recently touched slider value, and it is the x value. So for example, if I move this one here, it can go all the way down to 200, and then it stops right here. It can go all the way up to close to 0, and we can get all the way up to 0 if we went all the way past there. So there's that. And so that's just interpolating with the x value, which we can specify the scale in the constructor of the widget. So right here it's 0 to 200. But we can make it 0 to 1,000, 0 to 500, 500 to 1,000, anything that we want. So there's that. And another way in which we interpolate is actually with our RGB sliders that I built here. So right now the RGB sliders are just on a default value that gives the slider a nice blue, or the curved slider a nice blue color. And we see 46, 95, 175. Those are actually interpolated because what they originally store is their x values in screen space. So it's actually between like 55 over here and something to the effect of 400 something, 425, I believe. But they're interpolated, so they're always between 0 and 255. And unlike with the slider values, we cannot change those values because they're based on the screen. And because colors will always be between 0 and 255. So we can turn that down and have pure black. We can turn that up and have pure blue. Turn that up for pure red. And have both of these up for purple. And then we could, adjust the green if we want. That's pretty straightforward. So yeah, that is my curved slider.